My name is Joel Robinson, and in this video we're going to talk about a website called Wikifireworks.com. So you might be wondering, what is Wikifireworks? Well, Wikifireworks is the largest online database of consumer fireworks with currently over 10,000 fireworks in the database, and that number is constantly growing. One of the best things about the Wikifireworks is you can easily go on and create an account completely for free. So once you create an account, that gives you the ability to edit and add fireworks, but you don't actually have to have an account to still use the website. However, making an account gives you the ability to do more. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to kind of go through, show you guys some of the different features and functionality of the website. So that way, hopefully you guys can come on the website and use it and enjoy it just like I do. So first off, we're on the home screen right now, and if you look here on the left bar, the left navigation, there's a whole bunch of different options that you can actually select to find whatever firework you desire. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this left navigation here to find Excalibur, which is probably one of the most popular fireworks that people know. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on type. Going to go down here to artillery shells. You'll notice that there was 774 different artillery shells currently in the database. We're going to go down here to brands, and we're going to select world class, and you can see just how many brands are currently in the database. If there's a brand in here, or if there's not a brand in here that you would like in here, you can easily request that as well. So go down here to world class, 27 different artillery shells by world class. Let's do shot count. I think it's in there as 24. I guess I can just do it this way. Go. Ah, there it is. So you'll see right here, this is the search results, and you'll see the name Excalibur, world class, it's a 1.4 product, artillery shells, duration 2 seconds, which is approximate time from lift to break, 24 shot, construction, effect, color, and you can even see reviews. You'll notice it's a 4.7 out of 5 rating. You'll see my review right there is the last one. I put that in there before the video so I could show you guys. But basically, yeah, so if you want to, you can actually click on these little video icons here. You'll notice there's one Vimeo video and 29 YouTube videos. So you can easily just click on that. It'll bring a pop-up and you can watch the video right here. Or if you'd like, you can click on the firework itself and it's going to bring you to the firework detail page. Alright, so you'll notice here we got a picture of the firework. We have the videos here, which you can actually just kind of scroll through them if you'd like. Like I said, there's, including YouTube and Vimeo, there's 30 different videos right now linked to this firework. So a lot of different videos you can watch to see if this is something you would like. Scroll down a little bit more, you'll notice here there's a table that displays all of the tributes of the firework that like we saw in the search results page. And you also notice every time I hover over one of these categories, it gives me the ability, I can click on it and I can actually edit it from the search results or from this page. I can easily go in here and say, no, that's not right, and add this or change that or whatever. Like you'll notice it says no color. I could easily go through here and add a bunch of colors. The reason I haven't is because there's 24 shells and they all have different effects, so I'm not going to worry about it. So next you'll see the description. Scrolling down you'll see vendors, which Jake's Fireworks, if you guys aren't familiar, are the people that own World Class. Next is a feature that we're going to talk about a little bit about later, but I want to briefly mention it. It's the best of category or best of section. And what that means is if there's a firework that you think is the best 500-gram cake, the best fountain, the best whatever, you can nominate it for a best of category. Of course, if there's not a best of category that you would like to see, you can also request that that category be added. So you'll notice here that currently Excalibur is nominated for the best canister shell. It's actually ranked number 2. I think Pro Shells are actually beating it out right now. But you'll see here that it's got the up-down vote style like you would see on Reddit, so I can easily just downvote this. You'll notice it went down to 1 because I'd already voted it up. If I upvote it, it'll go back up to 3 because it takes away my negative vote and pushes it to positive. Also integrated into the website is a forum. You can easily just go directly to the forum if you'd like, or if you would like, you can also use the forum that is attached to every single firework. So you see here, if I post right here in the forum, it's going to directly link to the Excalibur posts in the forum, if that makes sense. And you scroll down, you'll see the last couple posts from the forum, so that's pretty cool. And you can expand all and see all the posts. Going down even further, you'll see the rewrap section, and a rewrap is a firework. In this case, Sir Lancelot, which I don't know if you guys are familiar, Excalibur's come in a 24 kit that they made King Arthur and Sir Lancelot, which are the 16 and 8 shot versions of Excalibur's, exact same shells, they just put a different name on it, different packaging. Technically, that's a rewrap. So you can see here it's added as a rewrap for Excalibur. So scrolling down even more, you'll see the reviews again. You can easily just change your rating if you'd like, scale of 1 to 5, of course. Leave a comment. You can see all the reviews here. And also it has an update history. So anytime someone makes an edit to a firework, that information is displayed down here in the update history. You can see Joel Robinson has changed shot count from 0 to 24 on, technically it's November 1st is when I did that, not January 11th. So just keep that in mind. And the cool thing about that is if someone fraudulently comes in here and changes a bunch of stuff around, those changes can all be reverted back. So if you do that, they'll get changed back. Alright, so that's basically how to find a firework and the information about each firework. We're actually going to go back here and we're going to broaden our search up a little bit. Let's just go ahead and clear this out. So I'm going to bring up all of the artillery shells, which is 774. They're all just listed out here very nicely. You'll see here that you can change the results per page. We're just going to click on one of these. Doesn't really matter which one. And you'll see here that here's all the ones you just saw on the previous page are all listed here. So if you want to, you can click on those if you're trying to just skip through them, or you can also click on the arrows up here. Want to show you guys that as well. So we're viewing this one, whatever. This is not what we want. We're going to go back to the search results, and then we're going to keep scrolling down the page and try to find something else. But you're like, wait, what was that firework I just viewed? It's actually highlighted in yellow, the one you previously viewed. So that's actually pretty cool. So that way you don't lose the one that you just viewed. Something else that's really cool. So let's say I'm just going to create a random search, artillery shell, let's say a brocade effect, and you'll notice there's 31 results. Let's go brands and say cannon brand. So there's 4. So if you want to, instead of having to come back through and type in all these attributes again, what you can do is you can actually save your search. So you can actually click save as and type in cannon shells, whatever. And you can actually save that search, so you can actually come back here, click the drop down, and come back to this search later. So if we go ahead and clear all this out, keep doing something else, and we're like, wait, I want to go look at those cannon shells real quickly. You go bam, bam. It's going to bring up that results that you had saved previously. So that's a really cool feature in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and clear this all out again. And something else I didn't mention is on here, you can easily, of course, just search for the title of a firework. Or if you want to, you can there's more sorting options. You can filter and group by. So if you want to group effects, you want to group search results into a brand or whatever, you can do that, which is really cool. Same with sort by, so you can sort it by whichever one you want to. Also, you can filter or search by, I don't know what would be the proper terminology, tagged fireworks, fireworks that are nominated for the best of category, fireworks that have rewraps, fireworks that only have videos, fireworks that only have a duration, and firework that only has reviews. So if you're like, you know what, I don't care, if the firework doesn't have a video, it's not going to help me, so you can click on this and only see results that have videos. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the tagged feature. So you'll see here the tagged only. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find a random firework, and I'm going to tag it. So let's just do this one, the Phantom X-3 Mortar Kit by Phantom. So we're going to click tag, and you'll see here I already have a couple tags in the system. So we're just going to go ahead and click on the test tag. So what I did was I tagged that firework as test. So if you're planning a show, you can come in here, say you can tag this for October, well I guess it's November now, November 25th firework display. And then you can tag all the fireworks that you might want in that firework display. Or 4th of July 2015 fireworks that you want. So you go through and you can tag a whole bunch that you want to get in the future. So then if you click up here on the tagged only option, you'll see here that there's the tagged firework. Let's clear all this out, and it's actually going to bring up all the tagged firework, all the fireworks I've tagged previously. And you'll see here that all these fireworks that have the green 4th of July 2013 tag, those are all fireworks that I used in my 2013 firework display. So I thought that's kind of cool. So you can come in here and easily just sort out what you've used previously, what you plan to use in the future. Basically plan an entire show using the database. So let's say that's exactly what you're doing. You're planning a show, but you know what? You want all this information to come with you to the fireworks store or wherever you might need to take it. So what you can actually do is you can actually come up here and you see this export to Excel option and also this print option. You can actually take this. I'll go ahead and do it. Export to Excel. Go ahead and save this. And it literally takes all this information and puts it into an Excel spreadsheet. So you'll see here, it literally took all the information from the search results and made it into this nice spreadsheet here. So everything that I had tagged there is right here. So now I can print this off. I can take this with me. I can see the name, the brand, the duration, which is a big thing if you're planning like a pyro musical, the shot count. You can see everything directly from this printout. So that's really cool if you're planning shows. That's probably one of my favorite features, is being able to take all this information with you. All right, so we talked about export to Excel, we talked about print, we talked about saving your search, tagging, fireworks. Let's go ahead and talk about the best of category. So you see up here in the top navigation bar, you'll see a best of section. Go ahead and click on this. And these are all the categories that are currently listed as best of categories. And like I said, if you see something, or if there's something on here that you want to add, like the smallest 500-gram cake, I don't know, you can request that and we can add that for you. But anyways, these are the top 3 results for every single best of section. So let's just go ahead and click on best 200-gram cake. So you'll see here, these are the 4 fireworks that have been nominated. I downloaded those. I just did those to show you guys that you can. I really don't care either way. But you'll see here's the name of the firework. You can see what the current rating is, what the vote count is. You can see who nominated it, the brand. You can see all the information here as well. Once again, you can click on this video. It's going to bring a pop-up so you can directly watch that here if you want to. And you're like, you know what? I don't think that's the best one. You can downvote it. Or you're like, that's great. You can upvote it. Whatever. I think my internet's running a little slow today. There we go. So anyways, like I said, you can bring this video up and watch it. Something else about videos. And you can absolutely add videos of your own to fireworks, assuming they relate to that firework that you're adding the video to. But if you are watching videos of a firework and you're like, wait, that's not the right video, that doesn't match the firework. Well, there's this little option up here to flag if video doesn't match fireworks. So you can click on that. It sends a notification to the admin, and we'll see that and be able to remove that if it does indeed not match. So that's actually another cool feature. So, and then once we're on here, you'll notice here that once we're on a category for best of, you'll notice here on the top there's a table that has all the categories listed out. Yellow is the category you previously viewed, or currently on, I think. So if I click on the strobe one, I think that's, yeah. So it's the one you're currently on. And like I said, you can just jump around here and see all of the different categories. Let's go ahead and click on artillery shells, because I think that was one of the, or canister shells. Where's that at? Right there. I think that's one of the larger categories. You can see there's 6 different items that are nominated. Pro shells are currently leading. Excalibur shells, Kiss of Death, Exterminator, Smoke and Mirrors. Well, that's actually 2 different size kits, 24 and 6. But anyways, so you can see here that the idea is to create the most accurate and largest database of consumer fireworks. And obviously, everyone is welcome to contribute, so that's highly encouraged. And if you would like to see who is a big contributor, you can actually come up here to top contributors. Go ahead and click on this. And you'll see everybody that's done any edits, that's added fireworks, that's done firework reviews, nominated for best of, or added as rewraps. So you'll see here that the list kind of goes for a while. And like I said, I highly recommend that you guys create an account, come on here, join in, and help this website evolve. You'll see here I'm pretty high up. That's because I have admin abilities to add a bunch of fireworks. It's not like I individually went through and added 3,000 fireworks. So technically, I'm more at like 1,000 edits, so I should be like down here at number 7. So I kind of cheated a little bit, but anyways. Yeah, so speaking of which, I do have admin rights to the website. However, I'm not the creator of the website. The creator of the website was actually Scott Smith, the gentleman behind Cobra Firing Systems. I've just been fortunate enough to have admin abilities and basically, I enjoy seeing this website evolve, and I love it. So, it's great that I can be involved. All right, so we talked about best of, we talked about top contributors, we kind of went through how to find fireworks. Of course, like I said, if there's anything wrong with the website, bugs, or you want to see something added, you can click on feedback and you can submit feedback. You don't have to include your name. We recommend including your name and your email. That way I can contact you if there's more information. You come to the forum here, you can go check out the forum, get involved in the conversation. If you do create a new account, come on here, introduce yourself, say you watched my video. That's how you found out about it. That'd be cool. I'll reply to you. I promise. Yeah. So trying to think if there's anything else that I'm missing. I don't believe so. So if there is, I'm sure that other people will find it and mention it in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I recommend going to wikifireworks.com, creating an account or not creating an account, but play around with it. Just see if you like it. And of course, leave feedback. You can leave it in the comments of this video. You can leave it on the forum, in the feedback section, whatever. Just I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys check out the website and enjoy that as well. Have a good day.